The humidifier sits on an enclosed porch where I have several plants, including a couple of happy orchids. And the humidifier sits right down here. Here are the controls to adjust the output. And here is the easy refill access, which I really like. You just pour it in, and as I said, it holds about 2 quarts. The direction of the mist can be changed easily, and the amount of output can be increased or decreased with these controls at the bottom.
That's 2. 1 touch button. That's 3. One. Right. Looks appropriate for 1. See, 1 versus 3. That's the difference. So far, I'm happy. And if anybody couldn't find the max line like me, it's right there. That's the max line. A lot can fit.